The votes are in. The winner is crowned. And the final transformation is here. And let me tell you, the winning fairy centerpiece turned out magical. Stick around because I'm revealing the final look, the winner, and I have a big announcement as to what's next for this channel. Keep watching. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? Well, my YouTube people, something happens. I've been gone for a little while. I know I promised you a quick response to this versus video, but look. Yes, the dreaded carpal tunnel. I'm so sorry that I have not been able to get back to you. This is all I have been thinking about. I even struggled through finishing this project just because I really wanted to get it to you fast. So I apologize for the delay. But here it is, the finale of this centerpiece video. You guys have been very vocal on which one you like the best. And well, I'll give you one more look. Here we go. So here we are with all the little fairy pieces. Some of these I got at Dollar Tree, and some of them I got at Shein, and some of them I got from Temu. But I am using all of them because I love all of these little wood cutouts, and I think it's just gonna enhance the whole vibe. And I'm using these little rigid popsicle sticks. So I am just completing this look, filling in the bark pieces where I can. And of course, Norbert is watching, making sure that I am doing this correctly. I love this little flower that I had from this potpourri set, and I just saved all of these things. As you guys know, I'm a massive hoarder, so I just thought it was great to be putting it there. I thought it was great to put there. And then I decided that my little lanterns here needed a roof. And that's when I started to cut all of these little popsicle sticks and constructed the roof. Actually, it was my husband that said, hey, you know, that needs a roof. And I was like, yeah, you know what? Kind of does need a roof. So we went roofing. I love these little mushrooms, and I love mushrooms in unexpected places. But since this is a tree house, I think it's appropriate to put mushrooms all over. What do you guys think? So here I have constructed a little popsicle stick acorn flower that I got completely obsessed with and decided to just put it in there as a cute little accent piece at the edge of the tree house. What do you guys think? I'm using wood pieces, popsicle sticks, and some other fun wood accents for the treehouse because we're going for the rustic enchanted vibe, and you guys are really liking this treehouse. Thank you for all of the comments. I really appreciate reading all the suggestions. So here's where the real fun begins. I'm piecing everything together with these wooden accents, and let me tell you, one hand is definitely making it an interesting challenge. But I'm loving how it's turning out. It's coming together in this magical way, almost like I'm building a fairy's dream house. challenge. Hi, Norbert. He's so cute. He's just appearing in all these different places, making sure that I am doing this justice. So I am painting the door. And I'm painting this white, beautiful clay creation with these colors. And you know what? As soon as I put the color on there, I just felt a little pit in my stomach saying, I don't know if I like this. And then I added some green, and I don't know, guys, it gave me 99-cent store vibe. So then I tried to whitewash it. And then I said, you know what? I'm painting it all black. I hate it. Sorry, I'm painting it all black. I'm like, what am I doing? Did I completely mess this up? And I'm like, oh no. But I said, you know what? Let's trust the process. I said, oh man, what am I doing painting this all black? But I've done these projects before in the past and the look has been really, really pretty. So I decided that now I wanted this to be kind of like a nighttime fairy house or fairy garden, and it would look really pretty with the lights, and I wanted it to have a moon-kissed feeling. So when the moon hit the fairy houses, it would bring out all of these pretty little colors in detail. So yeah, that's what we're going with. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys think I made a complete mistake or whether or not you're digging the vibe. I just kind of like it. I thought it was pretty cool. I haven't seen fairy houses look like this, so I don't know. Norbert, what do you think? Norbert says, I don't know yet. So he's sitting there watching. He's watching and judging. So I have to make him proud. So I really like this. So I'm going to stand by this, and I don't know, guys. I think this is looking really pretty. I could just imagine the moon shining on these little fairy houses and just making these colors zing. Then I decided that I needed to add gold. I am obsessed with the gold. I think the gold just elevates it so nicely, and it just gives it that really magical touch. A little bit of luxe. I don't know, I just love it. I love the vibe, and I just love it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You will not hurt my feelings if you don't like it. But you know, this is what we went with, and this is what we got. So, what did you think? You know, I have to be honest. When I first started to paint this, I hated it. I hated the white. I hated it. It was terrible. I was like, I don't like this. I don't like it. So I decided to, it was actually my daughter who says, Mom, why don't you try your other technique that you use when you're doing your trash art, your basuralta? And I said, you know what? That's a great idea. So here it is. And I love it. I think that this came out super nice. And it just has such a beautiful nighttime enchanted fairy garden look. And the best part is, drum roll please. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's lit up and it's so nice. Let me see if I can. Nope, that didn't make any bit of difference because this light is here. Let me see if I could try something else. Now you can see it. So here is our winner. Yay! Yay! Thank you all. This was so, there was so many votes for this wooden piece. I just wish you guys could see this in person. Photos and video just do not do them justice. I just think that they both came out so good, but this one was clearly the top choice for our Sweet 16 centerpiece. I just think it came out beautiful, and I thank you all for your support, for your comments, for your votes, for all of your suggestions. I really appreciate it. Guys, I am so sorry for keeping you waiting so long. This thing just really made me take about 5 steps back. And I was so sad. I was like, no, I have to finish it. But every time I tried to hold a brush or try to hold a tool, it just was not happening. And I just made all sorts of messes. And I think that you guys deserve better than that. I want to make sure that I always represent and give you the best of me. That's why I was a little delayed in getting you this video, and I am so sorry. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time here, my name is Maria. I go by Talented Latina, and please like and please subscribe, and always please comment. So a lot more exciting things coming your way, guys. So before we wrap this up, I have something super exciting to share. Coming up next on the channel, we're diving into a brand new series, Bridal DIY. If you love elegant, budget-friendly wedding decor, you're going to love what I have planned. So make sure that you're subscribed and you hit the little bell button so you don't miss the first episode of my Bridal DIY series. And of course, please let me know in the comments what wedding ideas you guys would want to see. What do you want to make? I really would love to know what you want to see. Thank you again for all of your support, and it's really, really great to be back with you guys, even if it is with a brace. I am practicing how to do things with my left hand now, so it's not gonna stop me. It may slow me down, but I won't be stopped because of this thing. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.